Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, I will be recreating that infamous Hailey Bieber manicure, but instead of using nail products, I will be using eyeshadow. So I grabbed this little number here out of my makeup stash. I am really not big into makeup. I just had this on hand. So it does not have to be this particular one. It's just what I had in my stash. This is Aspen Summit number 23 from Sephora. I truly believe any sort of white pearlescent highlighter type of eyeshadow would work for this same look. I'll be using Revel Nails dip powder liquids today, and of course I had to grab my favorite color, which is Erica. So when I look at the Hailey Bieber manicure, that infamous trending manicure we're seeing all over the internet right now, I see a translucent pink. I know some people kind of look at it and see an ombre, so a baby boomer, but y'all know I like to keep it simple, so I'm going to keep it simple for this one and very straightforward. I'm going to do 2 full layers of Erica because with the length of my nail, you can still see the white shade of my free edge, so my smile line that pops through, and that's kind of the vibe that I get when I look at that Hailey Bieber manicure. So once this first layer dries, then I'm going to dust off the excess powder. So I've got my stiff scrub brush here, and I'm going to dust it all off and then go in for another full layer of Erica. Also, you do not have to do this on dip powder. This same eyeshadow hack will work with gel polish. So if you have a light pink gel polish shade that you like, you can totally do this chrome eyeshadow on top of that as well. Y'all, I really thought I had a stroke of brilliance with this eyeshadow idea, and after a quick Google search, I realized I am not the first one to do this, but there are just so many trends that come out all the time, and I am a frugal girl at heart, so why not use what I already have on hand instead of buying more products for maybe me to use 1 or 2 times? So don't be afraid to use what you have on hand and still be within the trend and have fun too. So once these dry, then I'm going to dust off the excess powder and activate. So with my activator, I'm going to apply a very generous layer of this to all of the nails, let that sit for 2 minutes, and then file, shape, and buff. Okay, so here's a little tip for doing gel on top of dip powder. Gel likes something to grab onto. It wants a rough surface or a sticky surface. So when we go to do dip powder, a lot of times we file and buff it smooth. The thing is, when you're gonna do gel on top, you cannot buff it too smooth or the gel will just peel off. So you really have to make sure your buffing block has a rougher grit, which is why I love these particular buffing blocks. You can see it is pretty rough. It's not that typical buffing block that really makes it smooth, one that you would maybe get from Walmart. These ones I grab on Amazon in a pack. But if you do not have a buffing block like this, then you can use a 180 grit side on your nail file to really just rough it up so that the gel has something to grab and adhere to. I'm all done shaping my nails. You can see I have really etched the surface of them, and now I'm going to dust off the excess dust. Now with some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe, I'm going to cleanse the nails to get them ready for the gel. I'll be using Manny Boss's 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. This is a HEMA-free gel product. The shine is incredible. I've never had any peeling issues, any yellowing issues. This really is one of my holy grail favorite must-have products. So I am going to use this. This is what I have on hand. That is today's video topic. We're gonna use what we got. So I'm going to apply a very thin, even layer across all of the nails, making sure I get all the way over to those sidewall areas. And here's the thing, we have to only do a quick flash cure. So on my lamp, that's 10 seconds. Yours might be 5 seconds. We want the gel to still stay tacky so that we can rub the eyeshadow into it. So once I'm done, I'm going to cure for 10 seconds and then we start on the eyeshadow. So I personally already had these on hand, but y'all, you don't even need these. If you don't want to buy it, you do not have to do that. With my clean finger, I'm just going to gently rub in the eyeshadow. That's about how much I have. And all I'm gonna do is just rub it on the tacky gel layer. That's as fast and as easy as it is, just getting more product on there. And you can see immediately how quick that chrome effect happens. So it's popping very bright, very silver. That's from my ring light, but you can see in this picture it is not that bright in person. And I want to also show you, if you have these makeup applicators or if you do not want to put your finger into the product, you can also use these little makeup sponges as well. They're very inexpensive on Amazon, but that's how quick and easy it is. Just making sure I get all the way to my sidewall areas and really just rubbing the product into that tacky gel layer. It gives the most beautiful pearlescent look. I wish I could capture it better on video, but again, my ring light just went ham on this chrome and it's really making it super bright. I want to try this with other eyeshadow colors. I'd love to try it with maybe a pink. I have tons of pink makeup, I know, shocker, but I want to try this with other colors and see how it looks. Y'all will have to let me know, am I totally late on this hack? Have you tried this before? What have you done if you have? Like, what colors? I'm just dying to hear from y'all and know. So I'm gonna dust off this excess eyeshadow powder and we are almost done, you guys. So I'm gonna do one more layer of this. So this is now gonna be my top coat layer. It's going to protect that chrome eyeshadow look. And then we're gonna do a full 60-second cure. Once I'm done, then I'm gonna do a full 60-second cure, apply some cuticle oil, and that is it. Have you guys hopped on this Hailey Bieber trend train? I am, honestly, I'm obsessed. And I didn't think I was gonna love it, but here I am. I love it. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.